This is our commute day. Tomorrow we're gonna take the meat to butcher, and then probably get out in the evening, see about chasing some blacktails. They were blacktail hunting first day. It's about 12:30. We actually just saw 3 does. We got the guide with us in back, Mr. Jerry.
Very expensive guide, let me.
It is absolutely dumping rain. And Corey just had his first blacktail road hunting experience. So I'm feeling good vibes. We'll check in a little later. So we just did our first blacktail push through some pretty thick stuff. Supposed to meet Dad right here, but I'm here. Corey's here. No Dad. Not answering the radio. It's raining. Making this close road about an hour before dark. Got my first up. Which is a good sign that I'm getting into the road soon, so kind of nasty, thick country, but we'll see what the evening prevails. It's been raining and a thunderstorm rolled through. Going big, and then all of a sudden, boom, buck down, baby. He was looking right at me. Looks like a big forky with thick eye guards, old buck. So, nice blacktail. Catastrophe with the hardware.
Okay, so we need to
Dad said pull, and Corey pulled, and he broke his yoke.
damn it.
Thank you, Mom and Dad, for showing my good buddy childhood photographs where they're calling me ugly. Love it. Day 2, blacktail hunting. Headed to a new area. We got the guide in the back, the good luck charm. And south, sorry I look haggard today. We stayed up late dealing with my deer, and for some reason Mom and Dad just kept handing me whiskeys. So it's gonna be a good day. Hopefully the fog doesn't impact it, but we'll see if we can get Corey buck down. For some reason we just stopped and started giggling. We're just trekking up this vlogging road. A lot more. Gross. I hate those things. Disgusting. How do I find them in those? How do I find them everywhere I go? Up here on top. Good morning. It's Monday. What day is this? 3rd day of blacktail hunting. We loaded up all of our gear, or half of it anyway, and go and meet up with Jared today. We're gonna do a morning hunt. One of my favorite closed roads, and then bomb over the mountain. Found Jeremy's camp. We're in a big mountain push right now. Hiking out about 2.5 miles up this logging road, and then dropping about 1,500 foot elevation before dark. And we're hoping, oh, I left my sunnies on. And we're hoping Jeremy picks us up at the bottom because we're leaving our truck at the top. Let's see how that works out. So we just bumped our first deer of the day. 3 whitetails in western Oregon, which is really weird. But beautiful pine forest country. Sneaking's pretty easy, but it's a race against the clock. We got about 2.5 mile push and about hour and a half of daylight, maybe. Storm's coming in, so wish us luck. So here we were. Well, we woke up before daylight today. It's day 4 of Blacktail, and we hiked out about a mile and a half road. Nothing. And we're walking on the way back. It's just a real nice, slow walk, beautiful scenery. Corey looks at me and says, "This is romantic. Do you want to hold hands?" Well, it's raining again. We're doing a big push uphill, side hill about a mile, and then drop about 3. Jeremy in the woods. Corey. We got a good plan of attack happen, so we'll see what happens. Keep you updated. That was really quiet. Good job. So Corey messed up on a buck like 20 minutes ago.
I told Nick to take the stupid hat off, and it was going to fuck us up. But he's still wearing it.
Best day we've had. Deer are just crunching these mushrooms nonstop, but there's everywhere these walked out roads. Pretty cool.
No, what I said was the deer are going to come check us out because they're going to be like, no hunter is this stupid to try to walk through this mess of tangled debris. They're going to know this isn't honest. This isn't honor.
End of the 5th day of the hunt. We are shuttling bulls, and I drew the short straw. Plus, I don't have a gun. But we're running up the hill to go grab my truck because we just did about, I don't know, 3/4 mile push through the timber. Nothing. Okay, we decided it's our last night in deer camp. Start a fire. Warm up a little bit. It's cold but clear night. Corey is cooking fajitas. About to have a great evening. And then we're going to hunt all day tomorrow and then be back in civilization after dark. Well, last day for Corey and I. We got a great morning push. It's cold. We had ice in camp this morning. But we're doing a big close road and drop through some big timber, so. I found this. It's a bear scratching post. You can see the claw marks. Teeth, looks like canines. That's 6 feet tall. It's a big bear. Pretty fresh. We just jumped our first legitimate buck. So 2 does, decent 3-point. It's right up this country up here. They came running down. I tried to outflank them, and Corey's working down this ridge over here. But I don't see them. No real shot opportunity. They jumped up about 40 yards in front of us and then ran out. But he had stopped. But Corey never saw the buck. So we'll see what happens. 9 nights, 10 full days, finally made it home. End of a wonderful trip. Back to reality. Thanks for watching episode 2 and the conclusion of our Oregon hunt. If you liked what you saw, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button for all our future releases.